Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will see how to make potato gnocchi. It's a small bite-sized Italian dumplings, traditionally made from flour and potato. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need to make this dish. For this recipe, I'm using half a kilo potato, washed and boiled. Now let's peel the potatoes. Let's mash the potatoes. I'm using a potato masher. You could use a fork to mash it as well. There shouldn't be any lumps in the potatoes. It should be nice and soft. To this I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, add 100 grams of plain flour. The amount of flour you should use depends on the potatoes. Knead the dough gently. Be careful, do not over mix the dough. If it's sticky, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Knead until it starts to bind together. The dough is nice and soft. Let's divide them into small portions. Dust the working surface with flour. Roll each dough into 2 cm thick cylinder like little rope. Slice this into 2 cm long pieces. You can use a gnocchi board or you can use the back of the fork to roll this out. These little grooves in there will start to absorb all the flavor when you start to cook it. Add 6 cups of water to a pot. Add some salt, let it come to a boil. Gently drop the gnocchi into the boiling water. Cook until they rise to the surface. This will not take much time to cook. As soon as it comes on top surface, they are pretty much done. Now let's remove them from the pan. Place a skillet over a medium heat. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and a knob of butter. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Saute it for a while. Add the boiled gnocchi, give a mix. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley to it. Give it a good mix. Some Parmesan cheese on top. Gnocchi is a simple dish and it can be made delicious. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!